Hey everyone, my name is Caitlin Drake and I'm one of the product training coordinators on the product training team here at Wellness Living. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Wellness Living's Forms feature on the Elevate Staff app. To get started, I've logged in as a staff member and I'm on the Schedule tab at the bottom. We're going to start off in this video by booking an appointment that has an associated form that we can fill out on behalf of our client. And then after that, I will take you to her client profile so you can see exactly how easy it is to manage forms right from your mobile device. Let's start off by booking that appointment. So I'm going to select the time slot that I want that appointment to be booked for and click on Book Appointment. Next up, you can either search for the client you want to book this appointment for, add a new one, or add a walk-in client. I am going to search for an existing client today. We'll go through our normal booking flow, and as I said, I am going to select a service for today that has an associated form. Scroll down the page. You can select, as always, your date and time, if this will be recurring or not, and which staff member. And then there at the bottom, you can see that form that is required for this class. So because I'm logged in as a staff member, I can now do this on behalf of the client. So let's select Fill In Form. And I'm going to have her give me the information and fill it out on her behalf. And now I'm going to scroll down and give her my mobile device so that she can sign in the signature box with her finger. Finally, I'll click Submit. You can see now that the form is marked as completed, so I'm going to finish up the booking flow and then we'll take a look at her client profile. Back on the schedule, the appointment has been successfully booked, so let's take a look at this client's client profile by selecting the Clients tab at the bottom of our screen and selecting the client that we were just looking at. To access forms within the client profile on Elevate, simply click on the 3-line icon in the top right-hand corner and then select Forms at the bottom. So for clients that have incomplete forms like this one here, you'll see we've got an incomplete forms section within Forms where we can simply tap on any form that has not been completed by the client and go ahead and fill that out right from our mobile device, just like we just did. And I'll scroll down the page where we can see the completed forms as well. So underneath our incomplete forms section, we have a section for completed forms where you're going to be able to view things such as the form we just filled out. And any forms that have already been completed are read-only. You're not able to change them. You can only make edits to forms that are marked as incomplete. Finally, if you'd like to add a form to this client's profile, simply click on the plus sign in the top right-hand corner, and then you're able to select the form that you want to add for them that will be marked as incomplete until you or the client fills it out. And there it is right at the top of the list. So that is everything with filling out forms on behalf of clients. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.